Welcome to multiplying fractions. Okay, so there's one rule that you need to know for multiplying fractions. Say we have a question like 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. So the first thing we do is we multiply the top, the numerator, and we multiply the bottom, the denominator of both numbers. So that becomes 3 over 8. And that's it. Okay? Don't forget what you learned in reducing fractions, because that's going to be really useful. Okay, so this equals 2 times 4 over 3 times 5, which is 8 over 15, and that's your answer. Okay, let's take a look at the next question. 24 over 28 times 45 over 15. And I'm not going to make you multiply the whole top and the whole bottom, so this is a good trick that you should know. So, for a question like this, 24 over 28 reduces, divide the top by 4 and the bottom by 4, and 45 over 15 divide the top by 5 and the bottom by 5. This becomes 6 over 7 multiplied by 45 divided by 15 is 9. 45 divided by 5 is 9, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then you can notice that 9 over 3 simplifies to 6 over 7 times 3 over 1. Okay? So we're going to multiply the top, 6 times 3 over 7 times 1, which becomes 18 over 7. Okay. Next question. So for this question, 4 over 3 times 85, that just becomes 4 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 85, which becomes 4 times 3 over 1 times 85, which is 12 over 85. Okay? I don't think it simplifies any further. We could always check if like the top and the bottom are divisible by 3. So we'd go 85 equals 8 plus 5 equals 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Okay? So we would just leave it at 12 over 85 and box our answer. Okay, last question. 2a over 9 times 4 1 over 2. Okay, so first what we want to do is we want to convert it into improper fractions. Okay, so to do that, this becomes 2 times 9 over 9, which is 1, plus 8 over 9. And we're going to have to put this in a bracket, okay, because this is one function itself. This is one thing that we're going to have to solve before we can carry on with the question. So this is 4 times 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so this equals 18 over 9 plus 8 over 9 multiplied by 8 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Okay, so then this becomes 26 over 9. This becomes 26 over 9 multiplied by 9 over 2. Okay? So now, there's one more rule that I want you to recognize here, is that for a question like this, we can do this thing called cross-simplifying. So, we can simplify like this. This becomes 1, this becomes 1. We can simplify over here, this becomes 1, this becomes 13. Okay? Because 2 goes into 26 13 times, 2 goes into 2 1 time. So then this becomes 13 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 1, which is 13. Okay? Now, if that's a bit confusing for you, then we can always do it the longer way, which is 26 over 9 times 9 over 2, which is, when you multiply 26 by 9, which is 54, and 18 plus 5, which is 234. This becomes 234 over 18. And you divide the top by 9, divide the bottom by 9. I know it's divisible by 9 because 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9, which is divisible by 9. So the top is divisible by 9 and the bottom is divisible by 9 because 9 times 2 is 18. So then this becomes, take 234 into a short division. This becomes 254. You can do these short divisions by yourself, really. It becomes 26. So this is 26 over 2, which becomes 13. Okay? And that's multiplying fractions.